All coaching skills are not equal. You've heard me say the word master coach and mastery, and that's because I want you to aim for mastery. That's how we serve at the highest. But what is the difference between an entry-level coach, a professional coach, and a master coach? I'm going to use the ICF's International Coaching Federation criteria and descriptions now to help you to understand the difference. The ICF credential coaches at 3 levels: associate ACC, professional PCC, and master level MCC. It took me many years to build up all the criteria needed to become an MCC credentialed coach with the ICF. And because my team and I also teach coaches at a MCC master coaching level, and because all of our courses are ICF accredited at the highest level, ACTP, I'm intimately familiar with the differences between associate, professional, and master coach. To make this super clear and simple, I'm not going to give you these long, detailed lists because I want you to leave this short tutorial with clarity and understanding. An associate or beginner coach can help their clients or coachees to set clear goals, to create action plans, like to-do lists, and then to remain accountable to the journey of achieving those goals. There are more things involved, some skills like rapport building and listening, etc. But that's really what an associate coach can offer their clients. Now, I'm sure you agree that that's very important and valuable, but I think you'll also agree with me that if it was that easy to reach our goals, we wouldn't need coaches. What naturally happens is that on the journey, our clients hit inner obstacles, procrastination, doubt, laziness, lack of focus, lack of confidence, fears, irritations, resistance, concerns, worth issues, etc., etc. What I've found is that associate level coaches and even some professional level coaches struggle when their clients are struggling because they don't have the master skills and processes to help clients with their inner obstacles. By the time you reach professional levels, you should have some amount of skill and competency and toolbox processes to be able to help your clients overcome their inner obstacles. Early professional coaches tend to do this in some classic ways, which is that they challenge limiting beliefs and they help their clients to try and find inner resources, strengths, and their own solutions to overcome those inner obstacles. But still, I find that professional coaches, although they can do much more, there are still some gaps because those traditional approaches don't always work, or they don't always work very well. A master coach makes coaching look effortless, like an experienced, well-trained athlete. All of the mechanical structures that you saw at associate and professional levels disappear. It's like learning the rules to break the rules, learning the recipes to become a master chef and make up the recipes, learning how to play an instrument with basic chords and structure to be able to eventually jam like Eric Clapton, yes? And to write your own music. A master coach can create a space for their clients that helps their clients to work at deeper than surface levels so that their client can access their intuition, creativity, and deeply work to overcome their inner obstacles. We do really earn the privilege of changing lives. It's not handed to us on a plate after watching 2 or 3 videos. We earn it by becoming master coaches.